Hello friends, hope you all are doing great and are staying safe. In this video, we'll be seeing the recipe for brownies. Brownies are my favorite and I'm sure it's going to become your favorite as well when you try these at home. So let's quickly go ahead and check out what are the ingredients required to make these brownies. Firstly, let's prepare the dry ingredients, for which I'm sifting here the all-purpose flour, baking powder and the cocoa powder together. Once done, reserve it for later use. Next, let's prepare the wet ingredients, for which I have taken the chocolate in a microwave safe bowl and I'm going to melt the chocolate in the microwave. It's very tricky to melt a chocolate using a microwave. Just warm the chocolate for about 30 to 40 seconds. Take off the bowl from the microwave and give it a stir. Check if the chocolate is melted. If not, repeat the process. But please do not try to melt the chocolate in one go. If you try to do so, you may burn the chocolate. In case you do not have a microwave, you can always melt the chocolate using the double boiler method. Next, I'm adding in the butter and let's melt this as well in the microwave just for about 30 to 40 seconds or until the butter is melted completely. Next, let's add in the condensed milk and mix well. And then let's add in the water and the sugar. Now mix this. Now is the time to add in our dry ingredients and then give everything a good mix to prepare a smooth batter. Here I'm adding in walnuts. You may even use cashew nuts, pecans, or even chocolate chips. Here I have a baking tin which I have lined with a parchment paper. Let's go ahead and transfer the prepared batter into the baking tin. I'm just leveling the top and then adding some chopped walnuts over the batter. Now let's place the baking tin in the middle rack of a preheated oven and let's bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean when inserted in the middle. So here I have my brownie beautifully baked and come out of the oven. It's always advisable to cool your brownie in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours so that you get neat slices. But then my kid and I can't wait any longer, so diving straight into it. One of the best ways to have a brownie is to warm the brownie in a microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds and then top it with a scoop of ice cream of your choice and drizzle some sauce, either a chocolate sauce or a caramel sauce. And trust me guys, it tastes out of the world. So friends, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video of mine as much as I enjoyed making it for you, and I hope you'll give this recipe a try and enjoy it with your family. So if you like my video, please do click on that like button, and if you're new to my channel, I'm very glad to have you here. Please do not leave without hitting on that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to stay updated of all the new videos which I post here. Until I see you all the next time, take care, eat healthy, eat homemade. Bye bye.